So the meditation, the 11-minute meditation we'll be doing together is called the Sudarshan Chakra Kriya. It is an amazing practice that aligns all of the chakras in the body, all your energy centers. It's balancing, it's activating, it calms the nervous system at the same time as it strengthens the nervous system. Yogi Bhajan used to say that this is the greatest of all meditations. It's the greatest of all practices that you can do. And it just feels amazing. You'll see, it's one of my favorite meditations. It's pretty simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. So we'll start by inhaling through the left nostril only. So you'll plug your right nostril, take a deep inhale through the left nostril, fill the belly, fill the lungs, and then when you've filled your entire body with air, you suspend the breath at the top. As you hold your breath in, as you hold the breath in, we'll pump the belly, and we'll pump the belly on each syllable of wa, he, guru, wa, he, guru, wa, he, guru. And we'll do that for 16 Wahegurus. At the end of that 16th Waheguru, we'll switch the nostrils, plugging the left nostril, exhale through the right nostril, fully, completely pushing out all the air, and then right away plugging the right nostril, inhale through the left nostril, fill the body with air, and then back to those navel pumps, pumping the navel to wa, he, guru, 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 to 16 Wahegurus, mentally chanting Waheguru at the same time. You want to mentally vibrate the mantra, connect to the mantra, enliven the mantra in this meditation as you pump the navel. And it's almost like you're pumping the energy, you're pumping the mantra into the body as you hold the breath in. Again, plugging the left nostril, exhale right, inhale left, pumping the navel, seeing if you can really relax in this breath hold, because it might be a little bit uncomfortable. You might be holding your breath for a little bit longer than you normally are comfortable with. That's okay. Surrender. Your nervous system will be activated. That fight or flight will be activated on the breath hold, but that's exactly what it's meant to do. So see if you can really relax into the breath retention as you pump your navel. So again, the trick is here, you're inhaling through the left side only, exhaling through the right nostril only, holding the breath in, pumping the navel, and just continuing this cycle for 11 minutes. And you're going to fall into a really epic rhythm, into almost like a trance, as you focus on the tip of your nose with your eyes. That's the point of focus, the drishti. As you silently, mentally chant Waheguru, this epic mantra to connect you to the awe of the universe, and then pumping the navel, really activating the energy right at the solar plexus, where your power is, your confidence, your energy to act. And then we'll just feel our energy beginning to align, beginning to balance, really activating our energy, expanding the energy, and then directing it into just sweet neutrality. It's really an awesome meditation. And we'll do it along with some music, so you'll really be able to drop into the rhythm and you won't have to count every single stomach pump.